Hello and welcome. I am the Soul Enchantress. And this post, I want to actually term it, are you addicted to the struggle? Or are you genuinely looking for growth and expansion in your life and your business and your career? So the reason that I am making this video is because I notice several patterns, and that is that some people are actually addicted to the struggle and they will keep on repeating the struggle in a loop. So they will get help for their love lives or straightening up their money beliefs or getting rid of anxiety and overcoming overwhelm, but then they will go straight back into it. So you need to, if you are this type of person, you need to actually take a look at the fact that you are addicted to the struggle, okay? And if you are someone who does a lot of shadow work, as they call it, see whether you are addicted to shadow work, because that is actually a toxic loop. What you need to understand is that you as energy and you as a divine being are energetic layers, and you are here to work through your energetic layers in terms of lessons and growth. But you should see a pattern of growth and expansion in your life, not a pattern of the same thing repeating itself. So the type of clients that I call in, I want to work with, and I hold space for, is the type of client who is interested in growth and expansion in their life. And they come to me to actually get rid of their toxic stories and their struggle with whatever is affecting their love life and relationships, with whatever is affecting their money flow, with whatever is affecting their overwhelm and anxiety, and with whatever is affecting ceilings on their business income and in their expansion. Okay, so how it works is I work with you in order to remove your current struggles, and then you expand and grow. Then you will hit a new ceiling, and I will work with you to remove those blocks, and you expand and grow. So the whole time I am helping you to remove your energetic blocks and toxic stories and move to the next level of growth and expansion. And then you again work on your layer and your ceilings of whatever is energetically keeping you in that space, and you expand and grow. Because what you need to understand is that you are here to expand and grow, and if you are not, and if you are going in a loop, it is the same thing as stalling, and there is nothing called stalling with energy. You are simply in limbo. Limbo is not why you came here. You came here to expand and grow. You as source energy came here to experience expansion, growth. So step into that. Don't stay addicted to the struggle. Break out of that and expand and grow. And if you would like my help, you can find me at soulenchantress.com. And regardless of your budget, I have designed my work to be available to you on so many different levels. So please head over to soulenchantress.com and message me. Joyous blessings.